Hi folks, Marty here, and I'm glad you could join us for this week's tutorial where we're going to cover the song I Fought the Law, and it's in the key of C. Breaking rocks in the hot sun, I fought the law and the law won. I fought the law and the law won. I needed money cause I had none. I fought the law and the law won. I fought the law and the law won. I left my baby and I feel so bad. I guess my race is run. Well, she's the best girl I ever had. I fought the law and the law won. I fought the law and the robbing people with a six gun. I fought the law and the law won. I fought the law and the law won. I miss my baby and the good fun. I fought the law and the law won. I fought the law and the law won. I left my baby and I feel so bad. I guess my race is run. Well, she's the best girl that I ever had. I fought the law and the law won. I fought the law and the law won. I fought the law and the law won. I fought the law and the... Okay, so folks, that's it. Played through normal pace. In the next section, we're just going to have a look at the chords and we'll break down the rhythm for you as well. So the chords this song are pretty straightforward. You've got your C chord, wee easy one. You've got your F chord. You've got your G chord. And then you've got your C major 7. Okay. So when you're putting that all together, there's a little tricky bit we're going to run over. It's the bit in the third verse, and it's got a G, F, C, major 7, C. Okay, it kind of goes like this. Okay, so I'm going to sing that last line. I fought the law and again, I fought the law and... Okay, one more time. I fought the law and F, or G, F, C major 7, and then into C. So I'm just going to do that a couple of times just to get the hang of it, okay? I fought the law and I fought the law and I fought the law and... Okay, so just keep on practicing that little chord sequence there until you get the hang of it, until it gets into your muscle memory. Okay, so the only thing here to cover is the strum pattern. Okay, so I did kind of something like this: down, down, up, up, down, 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 up, up, down, 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 up, up, down. Okay, it's what we call part B of our island strum pattern techniques, and you'll see that in our other video that deals with that a wee bit more in depth. But I'll do it again just to see if you have to run over to there, but you can have a look at that later. And here we go again. Down, down, up, up, down, 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 up, up, down. Okay, so just do that the whole way through that song. Breaking rocks in the hot sun. So when you get to the hot sun, okay, just one strum. Down, down, up, down. Hot sun, I fought the law and the law won. I fought the law and the law won. Okay, do it again. I needed money cause I had none. I fought the law and the law won. I fought the law and the law won. Okay, so this next section, we're going to go through the song and break it down Nice and slow for you to play along with. So here we go. Breaking rocks in the hot sun, I fought the law and the law won. I fought the law and the law won. I needed money 'cause I had none. I fought the law and the law won. I fought the law and the law won. I left my baby and I feel so bad. I guess my race is run. Well, she's the best girl that I ever had. I fought the law and the law won. I fought the law and the robbing people with a 6-gun. I fought the law and the law won. I fought the law and the law won. I miss my baby and the good fun. I fought the law and the law won. I fought the law and the law won. I left my baby and I feel so bad. I guess my race is run. Well, she's the best girl that I ever had. I fought the law and the law won. I fought the law and the law won. I fought the law and the law won. I fought the law and the... Okay, so folks, that's it. Played through a little bit slower. So have a wee go at that. And the tricky bit is just that wee chord sequence that we covered earlier on. So folks, if you're getting something out of these ukulele tutorials and enjoying them, don't forget to subscribe. Hit that like button for future notifications. And until next time, keep strumming and keep her lit.
Thank you.